The Fulton County judge now sentenced a now former Atlanta police officer to nearly 3 decades in prison. Kobe Minor pleaded guilty to a reduced charge of voluntary manslaughter for killing his Lyft driver, 35-year-old Reginald Thomas Folks. This all happened last year. 11 Live's Grace King was in the courtroom for a very emotional sentencing hearing. So, Grace, how did the victim's family react to Minor's sentence?
Well, Reginald Thomas's folks, mom, dad, and cousin all hoped that Kobe Minor would spend the rest of his life in prison. But his murder charge was reduced to voluntary manslaughter through a plea deal. So the judge sentenced him to about 29 years with the possibility of parole.
In a Fulton County courtroom, Kobe Minor asked for one thing.
I ask that you find it in your heart again.
But after 500 days of anguish, the Folks family made their answer clear.
Forgiveness is overrated, and I don't need that to heal.
In May 2024, Reginald Reggie Thomas Folks was driving for Lyft when the now former APD officer called a ride home.
How can you cowardly execute in the back of his head an unarmed, hardworking black man?
Minor's attorney says he was having a mental episode when he got in the car and thought Folks was part of a, quote, gay fraternity that could kidnap him.
At about the 2-minute mark, it becomes apparent to me that Kobe realizes exactly what has taken place. And I can hear in that call remorse.
But remorse can't bring Reggie back. Reggie's family says they'll always remember him as a happy, confident, and wonderful young man taken from them far too soon.
Reggie did not deserve to have his life taken away in such a despicable manner.
Now in his sentencing, Judge Scott McAfee told Minor he hopes he'll dedicate the rest of his life to honoring Reggie, and that if Minor turns his life around, he could be eligible for parole.